Hello and welcome to Gardening with Ben's tutorial. Today we're going to be looking at how to propagate lavender from cuttings that we take from the lavender plants. I weren't too sure on how to do this, but my followers explained the best way to propagate the lavender and how to take it cuttings from the plant so that you can grow lavender plants successfully. And obviously that'll save you a lot of money taking your own cuttings from the lavender. And fingers crossed you will successfully get plants ready for next year for the bees to enjoy, and obviously for the nice smell that the lavender plants let out. So let's show you how to propagate lavender plants. These are the ones that I did myself, which my followers told me how to do them, and as you can see they're all looking healthy and they're all taken. Even that one's growing a bit of lavender on it already. But yeah, we'll be planting these outdoors next year. We're going to keep them warm in the greenhouse until next year, but we will show you how to take the cuttings. So let's get some done. So this is the lavender plant that we're going to take the cuttings from, and as you can see this is an English lavender which I purchased, and hopefully I can make more plants from it and get more lavender on my plot. So let's show you what to do. So the cuttings that you want to take from are the ones that haven't got the lavender on them. You want to take the ones that are looking like that. So basically it's a case of just snipping them off at the base like that. That's one. And there we have another, and we'll get possibly 3 from that one. So yeah, and let's see if there's any more. So there we have it. We have another one which has got probably 1. We'll do off that one. So yeah, let's show you how to pot them up. So once you've got your cuttings, what you need to do is take off all these leaves what are towards the bottom, as that is what you're going to plant into the soil and to get the roots growing from it as such. And just take off any old dying leaves as well, as there's no point it putting its efforts into growing them leaves. So there's one done. So let's do another one. So we want to take off all the leaves towards the bottom of the plant so that you've got a good bit that you can plant into the soil. Like we said, we've got 2 on here, so I'm going to take that one off, take those leaves off. So we've got a nice big bit that we can plant into the soil. Like so. So there we have it. So let's get the rest done and then we'll get potting them up. So there we have 4 plants that we're going to be potting up, and hopefully they will take root and create new plants. So now we've filled up 4 plant pots with general multi-purpose compost. It's quite dry at the moment, but we'll soon wet it and get it damp. So it's a case of just getting your cutting of your lavender and a case of just gently sticking it in so that it don't break the stem, like so. And there we have it, nice and easy. So all I do then is just put it in a bowl of water and let it soak it up, and fingers crossed they will look like that in a few weeks, nice and healthy, and let them grow throughout the winter, ready to plant out next year. So just leave them in your greenhouse and they'll do fantastic, and then you can plant them out when the weather turns nicer and it won't kill them off with the cold weather. So that's basically all you have to do to take cuttings of lavender, nice and easy, and you can get yourself some free plants. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. Remember to click the subscribe button to stay up to date with all my videos down here on the allotment, all my tips, my advice, what I share. Also check out the link below for my website and for my merchandise store, as I've now got cups on sale and hoodies. So if you want to join the club, feel free to check out that merchandise. Thanks for watching everybody, and remember, keep gardening. Facebook, Instagram and YouTube, which you can subscribe to, and they are all Gardening with Ben. I also have my own website which you can go and visit, which is www.gardenandallotment.com. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.